I'm on my way to the farm now. Liza's down the road waiting for me. I'll have to go by her later. This is my new bird farm area. The pens are just finished about I suppose 2 weeks ago. So all the birds have their own pens now. And they're all made of new materials. The old ones were made of all salvaged materials. So these are my Cape Haitian Couronne pigeons. There's about 40 of them in here. And pearl and buff dun-dot guinea fowl. And these guys are going to start laying eggs soon, I hope. This is my last pair of white-crested black Polish bantams. That's the hen. And there's the rooster. And she's up top because he won't stop trying to mate with her. He won't leave her alone. So he is down there trying to attract her, and she doesn't want to go. These are my Japanese black silky bantams, and they've been laying eggs recently. So the new pens all have these little egg boxes on them. And you see there? So now I can access the eggs without bothering them.